me, I bet you can catch that. Oh, good. Oh, why folks? I don't know whether you just caught that, I just tripped up. So what I'm going to do today, New Year's Day, I'm going to just skim off all these weeds and then just put my compost on. This is my no dig bed. I'll just show you how easy it is. And then that should be done. I'm not going to do it all, I'll just do a few, just do it bit by bit. There's only about an hour's sunlight left, daylight left, but it's a nice enough day. So I thought I'd better get on and do a bit, because time's upon us. It's going to be easy, this no dig job. All I've got is my little hoe. I'm just going to hoe off all these. They're only annual weeds, as you can see how loose the soil is anyway. So I'm just going to skim these off. There's no perennials in here that I can see. So there's no big deal. Nothing that's going to need digging out. So yeah, 2020. Another year. Like I said, this no dig, it's the easiest way of doing it. For me, no, it's lazy gardening, but I get really good results, so I'm going to stick with it. So I can, if I want to, I'll just rake up these little bits of weeds so they don't re-root. But it's not imperative. Like I said, I'm just going to do it a bit at a time. I'm not going to kill myself doing it. Still got some turnips in up there, so there's no rush to get them done. I'll just try and get most of these bits out so they don't re-root. They probably won't at this time of year because it's that cold. So all I'm going to be using is the compost from my potatoes, which was the compost I used for my onions the year before. So you've had two uses, growing things in pots, and now the final use is just to improve this soil. Ideally you'd put, spent, well rotted horse muck or compost and stuff on, but I haven't got any of that this year, so just going to chuck a bit of this on. Oh, a potato. Missed one. I mean, in an ideal world, the thicker you can put this layer on, the better, but I've only got about 12 pots, so it's going to be sort of that thickness. Now I'm just really going to spread it on. Probably about an inch thick, which is alright. And the worms will just take this down now. Improve the drainage, a bit more organic matter going into the soil. Just let all the worms do all the work for you. So really, like I said, couldn't be easier. No more back-breaking digging the soil. The soil's better drained than it's ever been, because I'm not ruining all the soil structure of the wormholes when I dig it over. And it just does it all for you. So that's about a quarter of my bed done in, what, 5 minutes? Like I said, couldn't be easier. There's a good inch layer on there. and the worms will do the work, do the rest for me. Sun's out, it's fantastic, lovely day today. It's a bit cold, but it's all right, good stuff. So that's it, folks. That's all I do with my no dig bed now. Remove any little weeds, any perennials, any annual weeds, and just put any organic matter I can, be it cow muck, horse muck, which I've not got this year, compost, spent compost from your grow bags from growing tomatoes, potatoes. Just spread it on, and then in time the worms will take it all into the soil and improve your structure. So that's it, folks. Quarter done. I might get on and do the rest of it, but it'll all be pretty similar. So that's it, folks. 2020, January the 1st. Happy New Year. And see you later. Well, hi folks, I did do it all in the end. It only took me about 20 minutes. It's just about going dark now. So I've just left a bit up there with the turnips in, so I can do that any time. But it's all done, and that's all the energy I'll be expending this winter in digging over, or not, as the case is. We no dig bed. Just chuck it on and let the worms do the rest. So that's about it, folks. Sun's about to set shortly. So that's about it, folks. See you later.